Hi, today I will show you how to set mobile data limits on your OSCAL Tiger 12. Our first step to do this is from main menu. We must swipe up the screen and navigate to the settings application. In it we press on SIM cards and traffic and their data usage. Now we have our data warming and limit, and there we can manage our data limits, mobile data limits. First step, data usage size. We can set day when our data size rest, maybe first day of each month or day which we want. There we can set data warming and custom it there in gigabytes, megabytes, how many gigabytes or megabytes you want. Maybe we set 10 gigabytes and turn on set data limit, confirm by OK, and there we can set it. Maybe 12 gigabytes it will be OK, and we press set. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.